Hey cooks, it's the middle of the week and I am going to be having a little tea party after work today. A couple people from the neighborhood are coming over and we're just going to have a little girl chat. We're going to drink some tea, we're going to have some snacks, and I want to get it set up this morning so when I get off of work it's all ready. So some of the pieces that we're going to be using today are from Dowan. We used this little stand in a spring tea party a few years ago, and I absolutely love it. Dowan has a few new pieces that we're going to bring out for the tea party this afternoon, and it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get these open. We're going to get it set up in there so I'm ready this afternoon when I get off of work for the tea party. So it's Wednesday. What's up? We're hosting a tea party. So a couple years ago, I threw a spring tea party and we used a bunch of Serveware from Dowan. This is one of their pieces, and I absolutely love this. I use this to put little desserts on. I use it to put tea sandwiches on, and we had a great time. One of the great things about Dowan, which I love, is their pieces are fully vitrified. So that means they don't take on staining, they don't crack like a lot of stoneware can crack. They're just absolutely fantastic. They're a really nice white color, so it makes your food look beautiful. And look at this. I love this piece. I've used it a bunch of times on holidays, and it's great. So they have a few things in their new line that we're going to use in our tea party this afternoon, and I can't wait to look at this. So this here is a butter keeper, and this is a great way to keep your butter softened, and it's really cute too. I absolutely love it. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at the color of this thing. It says butter on the front. When I saw a picture of this piece, I was just like, I love it. And look at the beautiful color. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is kind of like, a mason jar style. And this is a butter bell. So you can put your butter in there and it keeps your butter nice and soft. And you can leave this on your counter. I think this is so absolutely adorable. The minute I saw it, I was like, I can't wait to get it. So you put your butter in here. I don't know if you put the butter up to that line there, and you put this lid on here and it keeps it nice. I just absolutely love this. I can't wait for the tea party. This is the teapot. And you always have to have a teapot at a tea party. This is gonna be fun. This is a Dowan ergonomic porcelain teapot, 30 ounces. Let's get it open. Ooh, here's a little lid. Sweet. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Look at that. I love it. There's our little teapot. It is so cute. It's porcelain, so porcelain's a lot stronger than general stoneware. This is bone china fine porcelain, dishwasher and microwave safe. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? Okay, and we need some mugs to go along with that. Right? Nice. This has got a little flyer with a lot of their products. Their products are beautiful. They're the basic white porcelain or fully vitrified, and they make your make your food look great. So we have, wow, these are huge mugs. Those are so nice, and they are really big. Wow, those are amazing. These don't necessarily go with that teapot. I would say I would have a couple of those teapots, look at that, with mugs this large. These aren't really like a set, but I'm gonna be having in my tea party, I'm gonna be having tea, but I also have a warmer that I'm gonna be having some hot cider in, because I think it's like that time of the year. At least for me it is. So these are really nice. Really nice. So these are Dowan, bone china, fine porcelain, dishwasher, and microwave safe. These are really, really nice. Most of the bone china cups that I see are small, and sometimes you want just like a really nice mug of hot chocolate or hot apple cider or tea. So a big mug is always good. Wow. Sweet. So I'm going to take these into the dining room. I'm going to set up our little tea party on the buffet, and I'll bring you guys along as soon as I get it set up. So here is our little buffet. Right here is our Dowan 3-tier stand. I'm going to use this for some desserts. We have a candlestick that I've used in the past, and there's our little butter keeper. Isn't that so adorable? We have a plate for bread. I have a little candle going here. It's an LED light. I've used that in other tablescapes. We're going to be using these plates for meats and cheeses. All it is a bowl turned upside down with a little plate on the top. I wanted to give it a little bit of rise so it has a little bit of interest. I bought this Happy Harvest at the Christmas tree shop. So here are a couple of the Dowan mugs. These are going to be great with our apple cider. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at my little evening setup for my get-together. I'm going to invite a couple neighbors over that I haven't seen in a while. We've sort of been passing each other because of our busy schedules, and we just thought we'd get together for a couple of hours this evening to have a little chat about what's going on in our lives. The pieces from Dowan are going to be a great addition. I love them. I've been using them for a couple years now, and everything that I've gotten from them is top-notch. It is beautiful, it is durable, and I absolutely love them. If you want to take a look at these pieces, I'll put a link down in the description for you to take a look at them. I really, really enjoy having them, and I'm looking forward to our little evening with my neighbors. So what's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you have a great day, and take this evening to just get a little rest. If you want to call someone and catch up, or invite a couple of your neighbors over for a little treat and get you a little setup like this, and you will have a lot of fun. So happy Wednesday, and I hope you have a great week.